Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just under 59,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker, microwave and fridge. Behind me is first of our 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, voice control, menu, radio, our USB and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.